Your peach Arizona.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a super exciting video. That's a Zaful video. I absolutely love Zaful's clothing and I picked out some really good pieces to show you. I have done one of these like Zaful is it a scam videos before, so if you haven't seen that one, go check it out if you want. I can link it down below. But today's video is kindly sponsored by Zaful and I'm so excited because I'm going to be like reviewing, showing you, hauling / trying on all of the products they sent me, which I choosed out obviously. And quick disclaimer, just because it's a sponsored video doesn't mean I'm not going to be 100% honest with you guys, because I'm always honest and I would never lie to you about something like if I like a clothing piece or not. So if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified each time I upload a video. And with that boring stuff said, let's just hop right on into it. I hope you like my new background. I was super sad when I took my Christmas tree down because I was like, what am I going to have in my background now? And I was like, I'll just throw some stuff in, so that's what I did. The first thing I'm going to show you that I pulled out was this hoodie. Okay, you can't see it, but it's a fake Shadow Hill hoodie. Obviously I've seen a lot of people have the actual Shadow Hill hoodies and I've always been like, oh, I really want that yellow one because I love yellow hoodies. I don't have one, so I got this one. Obviously it's fake, but it just says Shadow Hill there. It's like the softest hoodie I have, I think. It's super soft inside and the quality feels really good. Like it's even better than my Obey hoodie that I ordered. It was in a haul, I talked to you about it, but that Obey hoodie was like broken and this like really cheap Zaful hoodie is better quality than that, and I think that says a lot because that Obey hoodie I paid like £50 for that and this one is no way near that. I don't actually know the prices in my head, but I got it in a size medium, so it's a tiny bit oversized, but that is just what I like. So I recommend you, if you're normally a small / extra small and you want it to be oversized, I'd recommend going for a medium. And this one says Shadow Hill on the back, Los Angeles, USA, and something like that. And then it's also got pockets. Yeah, I just think this is a super nice, comfy, stylish hoodie, and I know for a fact I'm going to be wearing this a lot because I'm a lazy person and I love wearing sweaters and hoodies. So that's that. I have the hugest box down here. I haven't even taken everything out of its packaging because I kind of wanted a few things to be my authentic like reaction to it. I have showed you one thing in my vlog, so if you've seen that vlog then you'll know how much I freaking love this jacket. So I got a little teddy jacket. It's teddy material with a burnt orange colour, and both of these things are super in right now. I really love this jacket. I got it in a size small. It's got like silk on the inside and it looks like this. It's got pockets on the sides here, which I was so happy when I discovered it had pockets, and then it's got like fake pockets up here, zipper, and I just think this is such a cool stylish jacket and it's really like my style kind of. I love this kind of thing and I don't own anything like it, so this is going to be great for the spring when winter comes to an end and it's a bit more warm in Sweden, because it's not even that thin. Like it's quite a good jacket. I think if you lived in a cold country this could definitely be a winter jacket, but for me it's a bit on the cold side. I guess I could have like a turtleneck underneath, then I might be fine. It's not really that cold in Sweden right now. We don't even have snow. But yeah, that's that jacket. I keep rambling about everything, and by the way, the star like mesh thing that I'm wearing right now is from Zaful and I absolutely love this. I think I'm going to wear it for New Year's Eve. I'm not sure yet though. Next thing we pull out is gorgeous. Like I could probably wear this to New Year's as well. It's like a rose mesh, well not mesh, but it's one of those see-through things, and it's got roses and flowers and green petals, and the sleeves are like flared, and this is just like the perfect party top. I love it so much, and I don't know what I'm going to wear this to, but I'm going to wear it sometime, and if I don't wear it to a party I'll wear it to school because I freaking love this top. Isn't that the most perfect clothing piece? Like what? I didn't expect it to look this good, but it definitely looks really good in real life. So, and I got this one in a size medium. I'd definitely recommend checking the size charts out because then you can see what size you need in each product, because each clothing piece has different sizes, so you're gonna have to check the size guides for everything to be safe and sure. They come in these really nice bags. They're like Ziploc bags. I think they're so nice. This thing is also one of my favorites. Like I haven't tried it on yet, but I'm so excited to try it on. So this is a blue soft material with like stripes that go downwards, and it's one of them tops that's really soft if you stroke it upwards. So I really like that, and the arms are like the best thing. Look at those arms. They're like flared, sort of a high neck. I wouldn't say turtleneck, but it's got got a little high neck there, and the back is absolutely gorgeous. It's an open back, which I really love about it. You'll be able to see this so much better in the trial section. And then it's got like a tie thing, so you're supposed to tie it at the neck in a bow, I guess. So yeah, it just looks like that, and I'm in love with this top. And you also tie it at the bottom, so it's got a little bow at the bottom. It's just so gorgeous. Definitely another thing I could wear for New Year's, I'm not sure. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I swear Zaful's like so much better than it used to be, because now it seems like everything they sell is on trend, which I absolutely love. Maybe not everything, maybe I'm just good at picking out trendy pieces, I don't know, but they've got so much nice stuff. Next thing, I think this is a yellow, like mustardy sweater. Yes, it is, and it's cropped, and I love it. It's got like balloon sleeves. Wow, this is so pretty. I'm amazed at the quality of all of these pieces. Do not look like they're from Zaful. They look like they're from, like, I don't know, Zara or H&M. Not that they've got amazing quality, but you know what I mean. You would expect not this good quality. So it's like the fuzzy material, super in right now, and it's got balloony sleeves, which is so lovely. I really like that, and it goes in at the end. It's also a bit higher neck, which I really like. I got this one in size, I don't actually know what size I got, but I can check it out and list it down below. It's a high-low cut, a little bit cropped. Probably won't be very cropped on me because I'm such a short person, but it's like the perfect length for high-waisted jeans, I'm guessing. And it's like the softest thing ever. The next top is very similar to the other one, but this is a high neck one, so it's turtleneck, but it's also got that like fuzzy feel to it, so it's like furry almost, and it goes in at the sleeves. It's a really gorgeous like grey baby blue thing. I don't own any tops that are like this fuzzy, but now I own two, so that's amazing. This top looks to be quite fitted. I'm in love with this colour. I think it would look amazing with a tan. Next thing is an interesting piece. It looks like it's super, super big. Like this looks, wow. I think it's supposed to be very, very scoop v-necky thing. So it's got like a distressed v-neck stuff, black knitted. Also, the sleeves are quite wide with distressed at the end and at the bottom of the top. So this top is way too big, but the white one fits, so I'm not sure why that is. Might have accidentally ordered this one in a bigger size. Now I see a little white sweater. So this is definitely a winter haul. I hope you're okay with that, because I mean, we can't hide the fact that it is still winter. Oh yes, okay. I don't actually own an actually I do own an off the shoulder sweater, but this is another off the shoulder sweater, but this one is white. I'm really intrigued to see how this one looks on. The material feels really good. It feels like thick, nice and sturdy. It's got balloon sleeves again. That is how it looks. Alright, yeah. Okay, I think I did a little chance with this one because I'm not sure if I'm going to suit it, but I just thought it looked really cool. It's like collar blocking. So we've got quite wide sleeves, quite wide sweater. As you can tell, I love sweaters, so I'm great for next year. So we've got a green block, we've got like burnt red, orangey, like these kind of warm neutral shades. So I'm really excited to try this, and it's so soft and like stretchy, so the material feels really good. It's also high in the neck, and it's got cuts down here, so it's a bit high-low, which is cute. I'm really excited about this top. I haven't tried it on. So it's just like a kind of tight-fitted cropped stripy top, and I'm in love with wearing colours. I think colours are so much more interesting than just wearing black clothes. She says wearing just black clothes, but I've actually been loving colour recently, so I did order quite colourful things, as you can tell. So it's got a little bit of a high neck, just plain long sleeves, kind of cropped, definitely not too cropped. Yeah, the colours are really nice. It's got blue, red, yellowy, brownish. I think the colours look really nice together. Zaful. So we're getting to the end of the box, which is really sad because so lovely clothing pieces here. I'm like shook. Next thing is the same as the black one. I thought I'd get one in white as well, and it just looks like this, the same as the black distressed one. It's distressed everywhere, like me. Stressed. No, I'm kidding. Okay, that was a really bad joke. So that's that. Another mustard yellow shade. What is my favourite colour? I don't know. I really don't know. What could my favourite colour be? It's a bit like scrinkly, but that doesn't matter because, I mean, I can hang it up. So this is another yellow hoodie, but this one is cropped, so it will look amazing with my black mum jeans. I got this one in a size small, it says, but it definitely looks to be oversized, which is good. So it goes in at the sleeves. It's like got that cut distressed look at the bottom, and it's got the string and the hood, and it's safe to say I won't be cold this winter because I've not got a single short sleeved thing. I'm kind of proud of myself, but I did get these like see-through tops, but they're really cute. They're good for parties. So I also got this really cute top that I'm wearing here, and it looks exactly like, I saw it in one of Zoe's vlogs, and she got it from Zara, but I mean, it's very similar, but much cheaper, and also the quality feels really good. It's just this grey kind of oversized sweater, and it looks really cute when you tuck it in. And it's got little pom-poms all over it, so I think it's so cute. So this is another thing in the haul that I forgot to film because I had already worn it, so it was like lying on my floor somewhere. But this is definitely one of my favourite pieces. So it's just a really colourful sweater, and it's oversized, it's got long like bell arms kind of, and it's got such gorgeous colours in it, and again, I'm in love with colours now, so this top is just perfect. And it's super comfy as well. Like, I'm sorry that I forgot 2 pieces. I swear I haven't forgot anything else, so let's roll the normal clip. Next thing, another fuzzy thing in the blue shade. I feel like everything I ordered was like fuzzy and blue. Okay, no, this is different. This is different. What? I definitely didn't see this when I ordered it. Oh no. Okay, so it looks great. Look, it's got fuzzy. Looks like it's very like slouchy, almost off the shoulder, but not off the shoulder. It's got nice long fuzzy sleeves. It's cropped. But then, what is this? Like, what is the use of this? I don't know. I'm confused. I think it's just for decoration, but it looks like you can pull it. Okay, you can definitely pull them. So you can pull these. I'm not sure what these are for, but I'll try it on. I mean, it's okay. I can still wear this top even with these on the back. So here we have the star top. I think it's super cute with a cute bralette. I mean, I'm not wearing the cutest bralette underneath now, but you get the gist. It's just got little stars everywhere. The bottom of it just looks like that. Super, super cute. So that was all of the clothing pieces, including this mesh top, but I now have some jewellery to show you. So I wore 2 of the jewellery pieces yesterday, so they're in my bathroom, so I'm gonna go have to go get them. But the next jewellery piece I ordered is so cute. I'm pretty sure, yep, it's a star choker and it's gold. Like, could you wish for anything cuter? I don't think so. I've been looking for gold cute like dainty chokers for ages now, and I never find any good ones. I mean, this is perfect. It's like all I've ever wanted in a choker. That is just so pretty. So it's got stars. So the 2 necklaces I got are right here. We have this little one with just gold. So we have this one here with like gold rings around it. I think it's so cute. And then it's got this. So it's got this little line of beads at the front, and then it just looks like that, so it's super cute. The next choker we have just has this little pearl in the middle, little gold circles around it. I'm really bad at explaining, but you can see how it looks, and I think it's so cute. I'd really love to wear all of these chokers at once because I think it looks really nice when you layer little gold chokers like that. So I hope you liked a few of these pieces, found some inspiration. Maybe you're thinking of buying something. If you are thinking of buying something, I do have a coupon code. I'm not going to leave you hanging, so let me just read it out because they have written all the details here and I don't know them in my head, so if I'm looking down I'm just reading the details. So the coupon code is SAIDFP. I will have it on the screen and down below if you forget, because I'm a forgetful person, so I mean, I feel you. With that coupon code you save $3 on all orders over $30, and all orders over $50 you save $6, all orders over $80 you save $9, and all orders over $100 you will save $12. The coupon code expires on the 31st of January 2018. Don't think I had to say that, but yeah. I will write all of the information down below, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and film the try-on section right now, and yeah, if you aren't already subscribed, you know what to do. The subscribe button's down below. I'd love to have you in my family, and we're soon at 100,000 subscribers, which is insane. Like, I can't believe it. You guys are crazy and I love you all so much, and thank you for supporting me. So here are the shout outs for today's video. You guys mean the world to me, and I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing right now without you. So I love you all so much, and never change for anyone. You're perfect just the way you are. I don't know, I just thought I'd give you guys a little inspirational thing. Maybe you need it, maybe you don't, I don't know. I'm not gonna go on a ramble right now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, because I will be posting there whenever I'm not posting here. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
When I was you, all I get is wild thoughts. Know that ass back, boo. Damn if I do, damn if I don't. Yeah, man, what you want, shit, but not me. And I'm stone cold with the flex, and I just wanna go fast.
You know bad, I'm bad, I'll swallow. I blew the bad man here, I blew the bad man here. Yeah man, I'm talking. Day on what I'm on day.
Down these walls, I'm so tired.